Hi guys, I'm Will Patterson. I'm a logo designer, hand lettering artist, YouTube content creator, and an author. In my previous videos, I showed you how you can list your products for sale on your online store and to create promotions and discounts. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what your customers can do next, which is to make a customer account. This basically means you have a deeper insight into what a customer likes and you have a better relationship with them, and it increases your chance of repeat sales. So let's jump right into it. By creating an account, customers can securely save their payment methods, their shipping addresses, and view past orders. And this helps promote a faster checkout experience. Let's enable your website for visitors to create a customer account. In the home menu, click Commerce, then Customer Accounts. Switch the toggle to On. Now that customer accounts are enabled, customers can create an account during the checkout process or using the navigation sign-in link. You'll be able to view every single customer with an account within the Customers panel. Every person with an account will display a dot in the Accounts column. Click on any customer to view their customer account details and to view any products that they've purchased. Once a customer signs into their account, a panel will show up giving them options to check their order history, saved payments and addresses, and the contact info. All this information will be saved so the next time they log in, they'll have a fast and easy checkout experience. And just like that, your customers have more access to your online store just by creating a customer account. If you enjoyed this video, then please press that red subscribe button so you can watch my previous videos where I talk about listing products and creating promotions and discounts. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.